Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to talk today about a couple of things, in particular the chart on Z1P, given that the buy now pay later stocks are all very, very topical. I put this post up on Facebook a couple of days ago and believed that the break of $8 would be very important and basically critical for a further upward move. The comments that came back were really interesting. There's people that clearly don't like buy now, pay later. There's people that think it's overbought. There's people that are worried about RSIs or MACDs or all of that stuff. My main point here is the belief that you have to have in a chart. The resistance there at $8 is pretty long-term resistance, and to my mind it was very clear that if $8 broke, it was going to do something. So just want to reiterate, you've got to trade the chart. Kylie, have you got a comment either on Zip or some sort of experience where you haven't believed the chart and been caught out?
Yeah, there's a lot of, I find if I get caught up in FOMO, then I will choose to ignore things on a chart because I don't want to miss out, and it will always come and bite me in the bum. So I will, you need to definitely look. This was a really good breakout. It did gap up. Would I have got on board? I'm not sure. In hindsight, yes. I absolutely. If you don't follow your rules, you'll get caught out.
Ainsley, anything to add?
Well, I did do something the other day in that I had a pretty good win on a stock, and it fell back, and I thought, beauty, here's another entry point based on my excitement about having a really good win on it, and also just that FOMO. And what I didn't do was wait for a buy signal, and now I'm watching it fall back to a point of resistance, going, what on earth was I thinking when I jumped back in? And it was just excitement, and it was FOMO, and I didn't even think about the chart, and I've mucked up. So I'm just waiting now, waiting.
Yes, yeah. The bottom line is, I really think you have to believe the chart, and not the stories, and not the comments on Facebook. So that's really all I've got to say on Z1P, other than the fact that it may come back and fill a couple of those gaps. It may not. The bottom line is that it's run from the breakout, increased by, at the peak, $2.30, $2.40 on an $8 stock. So there's the chart.
Yeah, that's good. Are there any other interesting charts that have had that sort of run lately, or anything?
There's stacks of them.
There's
almost too many. You just don't know which one to go for. The market really is pretty hot. But on a closing note, with the All Ords, we're just back at pre-COVID levels, basically. So people are saying the market's overbought, but if you stop and think about it, during COVID, everyone cut back on everything, cut back on staff, cut back on costs, cut back on wages. So the bottom line at the moment is that companies are far leaner and meaner than they were pre-COVID, hence more profitable. We'll find that out during the next reporting season. But we're still in lockdown in various places. We still can't travel. There's still problems, but companies are more profitable. So I can only see that as we clear up things with COVID, the market has probably got a long way to go upwards. So that's my comments.
Very good. Thank you again for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in tomorrow for some more commentary. Thank you.